based and designed and formulated in Los Angeles, California. So, siya. Tingnan nyo guys, pumuti na ba yung ngipin ko? Wow! That's a very good color. I like it. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to do a beauty video for you guys. I want to do a first impression and review video of the Vice Ganda Cosmetics Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lip Kit. And I chose the color Get Lavu or the bright red color nila kasi this is perfect for you guys who are applying to become a flight attendant. If you are applying for PAL, Cebu Pacific, Air Asia, Emirates, or Qatar Airways, they require their crew to always use red colored lipstick. So, let's try this on. This kit pala, lip kit is worth 295 pesos and it's available in Watson's and SM stores, SM beauty stores. So let's open it. Bagong-bago pa talaga siya, may plastic pa. In fairness, yung ano niya, yung kanyang packaging is very pink, it's very girl, that's why I like it. And maganda siya, meron siyang star and naka-emboss ba to? Emboss ba tawag dito? Basta super shiny nitong lips na to. And maganda tong lip color na to, nakakapagpaputi din siya ng ngipin. So, when you open the box, and when you look at the box, ito yung makikita mo sa front niya. And yung color, shade color name nandito sa taas. So, this one is Get Lavu. And sa likod, nakasabi, introducing a new kind of ganda.
Indulge your lips in this vibrant and velvety formula that melts into your lips, leaving them looking healthy and feeling comfy. For a more precise look, pair it with a soft, light lip liner.
Sabi din dito, yung ingredients, nakalagay din lahat. So, if you are particular with your cosmetics and ano yung nasa kanila, maganda kasi nandito lahat yung kanyang ginamit nila. So, you can see if you're allergic to something or what. Meron siyang paraben-free, cruelty-free na sign doon.
By Cosmetics Group Inc., Bonaventure, Casa, San Juan, Manila City. So, siguro doon yung kakalimutan na ano.
Based and designed and formulated in Los Angeles, California. Wow. So, siya. Velvet liquid lipstick nakalagay, net weight 10 ounce, 3 ml, and yung liquid soft glide lip liner net weight is 0.25 grams. Do not put under direct sunlight and do not store at high temperatures. Tapos, so vicecosmetics.com yung nakalagay sa kanyang, sa kanyang description dito. Tapos, dito sa baba, it's just the barcode. Alright, so buksan na natin siya. Ito yung kanyang velvet lipstick. So, yan yung itsura niya. Meron lang siyang shade color sa likod. Nakalagay, Get Lavu. Ayun. Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So, yun, yung kanyang branding and logo. Tapos, yung, ano bang tawag niya dito? Soft Glide Lip Liner. So, ito yung itsura niya. It's so girly. It's black and pink. Ayan. Tapos, dito parang may color ng shade, kung anong shade siya. So, nakalagay red. So, pag binuksan mo siya, buksan natin tong lip liner. Ayan. Meron na siyang ganyan. Ang maganda dito, retractable siya, meaning hindi mo na siya kailangan tasahan. Tapos, yan yung, diretso ka na sa lips mo. Tapos, tingnan natin yung pinakamahabang niya, kung gaano kalaki tong product na to. Oh my God. Marami din siyang laman. In fairness, marami din siyang laman for its price. Buksan naman natin to. Ayan. So, that is how it looks like. Wala siyang smell. Wala siyang amoy. So, yun yung nito. So, mukhang puno naman yung laman niya sa loob. Mukhang puno naman siya. Tapos, iswatch natin siya sa ating hand. Tingnan natin. Wow! That's a very good color. Wow. I like it. If I have a long flight, I make sure that my lipstick stays for a long time. So, they usually use matte lipstick. Pero ang problema doon, super drying siya sa lips. So, now I just have a lip balm on my lips. And now I'm gonna put this Soft Glide Lip Liner. Napakadali niyang i-apply, guys. Napansin ko yung pagka-red niya, hindi siya kasing bright nung Get Lavu na liquid lipstick talaga. Pero I think that's okay. It's not as, as bright talaga. Sa as a flight attendant, what we do as a hack is we put the lip liner all over the lips para mas matagal siya at mas may makakapitan yung lipstick mo. So that's our hack if you want your lipstick to stay longer. Okay. So that's how the lipstick looks like. I mean, the lip liner looks like on my full lips. Actually, nakikita ko na rin yung pagka-bright red niya. Lumalabas na rin. Kanina nung first paglagay ko, parang dead red siya. Pero ngayon parang nakita ko na medyo bright nga siya. First time ko magta-try ng velvet liquid lipstick. Let's try it, guys. I'm gonna... Actually, very soft siya sa feeling. Hindi siya yung drying na usually na mafe-feel ko like if I use yung MAC Ruby Woo, something like that. Napaka-drying kasi nun eh. Pero yun yung parang official color na ginagamit ko before when I was applying. Kasi super red talaga nun and complements my skin. Tingnan nyo guys, pumuti na ba yung ngipin ko? Diba? Nakakaputi siya. I'm gonna try to put on another layer. Okay, so that's how it looks like. It looks matte, pero ang feeling niya hindi siya feeling matte. Ano talaga siya? Ito siguro talaga yung velvet lipstick. First time ko kasi mag-try ng velvet lipstick. And ang nakaganda sa kanya for me, hindi siya yung nag-ano sa teeth ko. As in, walang lumapit sa teeth ko na lipstick. Hindi siya nag-stain. And kasi yung struggle usually if I do my lipstick, as regular lipstick before, talagang nagsistain na pupunta sa ngipin. Kasi tawa ka ng tawa, meron ka na palang lipstick sa ngipin mo. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And, very nice ang feeling niya. Very soft. If I am applying, maganda yung ganitong kulay kasi you want to emphasize your smile pag nag-a-apply ka. So, laging naka-emphasize sa lips mo yung attention. So, magandang gumamit ng mga bright red lip color like this. So, ayan. Especially if you have my skin tone, which is a yellow skin tone. Tapos, medyo chinita kasi ako. So, ayun. Wala akong mapaglagyan ng eye makeup. So, sa lips ko na lang ibabawi lahat. So, ayun guys. Those are my thoughts. I like it. It's a very good value for money. I just don't know if it's gonna last really long like the other high-end brands lipstick that I'm used to wearing when I was flying. Pero for beginners, I think the color, kuwang-kuwa niya yung color ng Ruby Woo ng MAC. I like na yung lip liner niya is retractable, nakatipid ka sa pagtatasa. Yun talaga yung struggle ko with my lip liners, yung pagtatasa. Mahirap siya. And, maganda yung kulay niya. Yun lang masasabi ko so far. Wala pa akong negative na review. So, I'm going through my day-to-day, and it's only 12 noon right now. We're going to have lunch, and then I'm going to be filming the whole day today. I have to film about 6 videos today, so I'll let you know how it goes and how long does this lipstick last on me. So, I'll update you guys later. Bye! So, I just finished eating lunch, and ito na yung lips ko. I didn't reapply yet. Okay pa naman siya. So, yan yung itsura niya. Napansin ko lang when I was drinking water, yung may part ng lipstick, talaga nag-transfer siya sa glass. So, but not all. Just a part of it. So, ayan. Medyo nabawasan yung shine niya. Pero, intact pa rin naman yung buong lips ko. So, I'm gonna continue on and film throughout the day, and I'm going to update you later how this goes out. Okay? See ya! Update, Momshi. So, it's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And, natapos na ako pag-film. I think I filmed about 6 or 7 videos. And now, Okay, so ito na yung itsura nung Vice Ganda. Vice Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Ayan. Medyo, yun na siya kasi naglaro din kami ni River kanina, yung baby ko. So, hinalik-halikan ko yung tiyan niya. Ayan. May mga red marks yan. So, ayun. Pinanghalik ko yung lips ko sa tiyan niya. Yung mga ganun-ganun. So, ayan talagang wala na. Wala na masyado. Pero, if you look at it, pwede pa. So, update ko kayo later. Pinaka-last update. So, it's just 4 hours since eating and playing with my baby. So, tsaka mag-i-snack din ako ngayon. I'm going to drink salabat and eat Misskaykrizz. So, ito na. It's now almost 8 o'clock. This is the lipstick after 8 hours. Sobrang, hindi ko rin in-touch yan. So, medyo yucky na siya. No, na-chop na yung color and all. And, this is, I ate also after nung lunch. Nag-merienda pa ako and nag-dinner. So, sobrang kain. So, ayan na yung itsura niya. So, pang ano talaga siya, it's good to last for the whole afternoon. Hanggang 3 p.m. I was able to finish filming and maganda pa naman yung itsura niya din. Pero right after that, kailangan niya talagang i-retouch. So, I guess that's my review for the Vice Ganda Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Ngayon, gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yung color. Gusto ko yung application. Yung pigmented siya. And ano siya, maganda yung feeling niya sa skin. Yun nga, when it comes to staying power, ayun, hindi nga masyado siyang mag-stay. Pero, it's good enough. Like, 3 hours is good enough if you are going to an event and ganyan. So, you just have to touch it up if you want it to stay. Hindi talaga siya yung sobrang mag-stick sa skin mo kasi hindi naman din siya drying. As you can see, hindi pa naman dry yung lips ko. So, yeah. So, I guess that's what you get if you go for velvet lipstick. Hindi siya as dikit na dikit or dikit na dikit sa skin and hindi siya as drying. So, this feels good on my skin. So, I guess that's my review for this lipstick. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, sana nakatulong. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and I will see you mommies on the next video. Bye!